Tonight, police have found the truck belonging to a Waterbury man missing for nearly 16 years.
Messier has been missing for over a decade and a half. Adventures with Purpose, an independent search group, found the truck Tuesday afternoon and alerted police shortly after.
In October 2006, Messier was last seen leaving a party in Waitsfield in his red pickup, and he was reported missing when he didn't show up for work. Police have not been able to locate Messier since then. In Adventures with Purpose, an independent search group that produced